Good day to all employers there in Hong Kong. I am Charlene P. Alimen, 36 years old. My height is 164 centimeter and my weight is 60 kilogram. I live in Santa Rita, Bata, San Miguel, Bulacan, Philippines. I am married and blessed with 2 sons. The eldest is 13 years old and the youngest is 10 years old. My husband is currently working in Saudi Arabia as a machine operator. My mother's name is Nenita M. Pangan, and my father's name is Pelagio L. Pangan. My mother makes doormat for a living, while my father has passed away 2 years ago. We are 6 siblings in the family, 3 boys and 3 girls, and I am the eldest. I am a high school graduate, and I have a 3 years working experience as a nanny here in San Miguel, Bulacan, Philippines, since March 6, 2023 to March 30, 2026. I have serving 4 members of a family, both working parents and 2 children, a 15-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl. My main duties is to taking care of their children and do a household chores. I'll do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. I am patient, gentle, and responsible caregiver. Mom and sir, if you hire me, I'll promise I'll do my best and work hard for your family. And I will treat and love your children as my own. And I promise to finish my contract with you. Thank you and God bless.